In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add dependencies in Monday.com. We'll start inside your Monday.com workspace. Go ahead and sign in so you're on your main account home. From here, look to the left side of the screen for the list of boards. Choose the board where your project items live and click it to open. If you have a lot of boards, you can use the search bar to quickly find the right one, but the key is to open the board that contains the tasks you want to link. Once your board is open, we're going to add the dependency column. Move your cursor to the far right of your columns and click the plus icon to add a new column. A panel or menu will appear with different column types. In the search field, start typing dependency. This narrows the options and helps you find exactly what you need. When you see the dependency column type, click it to add it to your board. You'll now see a new column labeled for dependencies alongside your existing columns. Next, choose the item you want to set a dependency for and click in its cell under the dependency column. This opens a selector where you can pick which other items this task depends on. You'll see a list of existing items from your board, and you can check one or multiple items if needed. If your list is long, start typing the name of an item to quickly filter and find it. If you're creating a new related item on the fly, type its name and follow the prompt to add it, then select it in the same picker. After choosing the items, you'll have options to define the dependency relationship. You can set finish to start, which means the predecessor must finish before the successor can start. You can choose start to start, where both can begin around the same time, tied together. There's finish to finish, which keeps the completion times aligned. And there's start to finish, a less common setup where the start of one controls when the other can finish. Pick the relationship that matches your workflow and scheduling logic. When you're done selecting, close the picker or press enter, and your dependency is saved in that cell. Repeat the same process for any other items that need to be linked. Clear, consistent item names make searching faster, and grouping related tasks can help you see patterns. If you ever need to adjust a dependency later, just click the same cell and update your choices. That's it. Your board now includes dependencies, giving you clearer sequencing and more reliable timelines.